Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP pre-calculus type of a question from the topic of equivalent representations of polynomial and rational expressions. Let's solve it together. Let f of x equals x minus 1 squared over x times x minus 1. What is true about the graph of f? A, it says the graph has a hole at x equals 1 and the vertical asymptote at x equals 0. And B says graph has a hole at x equals 0 and vertical asymptote at x equals 1. C, the graph has a vertical asymptote at x equals 0 and x equals 1. D, the graph has no holes or vertical asymptotes. So, to solve this question, I'm going to rewrite the expression. X minus 1 squared means x minus 1 times x minus 1. In the denominator, we have x and x minus 1. And if you're talking about a hole, when the hole becomes, when you have two expressions canceling each other out from numerator and the denominator. And to find the whole point, we're going to solve this expression for x by making it equal to 0. We're going to add 1 to both sides, and x equals 1. So there is a hole at x equals 1. So this is the hole. What about the vertical asymptote? The vertical asymptotes are, it's all about the denominator. We're going to focus on this denominator section. We have used x minus 1 for the whole. When the whole becomes, there is no asymptote in that point. So you're not going to worry about x minus 1 in the denominator section. You're just going to focus on the x. And by making it equal to 0, you will find that there is this vertical asymptote at x equals 0. So with this in mind, the correct answer will be choice A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.